Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your subscription plan on the Hello Prayer app using the website or the mobile application. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser. You can use the Google Chrome and type hello.com in the browser. Type hello.com, or you can instead open the application and sign in with the account that you need to cancel the subscription. Then once you are logged in, click on your profile icon. After that, from the menu, choose manage subscription or billing. Simply select the settings and go to subscriber general. Now select new plan. Here you will see your current plan. You can switch from monthly to hourly or upgrade to a family or lifetime plan. It's available. Now after that, confirm the changes. Follow the prompts to confirm and save your changes. Your new plan will apply either right away or at your next billing cycle. If you signed up through the Apple Store or Google Play, you will need to update your subscription directly in your Apple ID or Google Play settings. And that's it. You have successfully managed your Hello subscription online. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.